When we think about the U.S., when we think about the West Coast and we think about the central region of the country, their climate concern is more around seismic. And as we see more people moving in different areas of the country and urban sprawl, the design development of projects have to focus in on understanding seismic and the impact that has on the building. It's not just now thinking about thermal performance and or hurricane resistance, it's now seismic, how the building interacts with the framing system. And so what the Kawneer company has done is a significant amount of testing on our window wall, our curtain wall, and our storefront framing systems so that we can meet different seismic capabilities based on where these projects are located. And we have a section on our website dedicated to just seismic framing systems, and it's a white paper that we've created that highlights the protocols for what that test is and then aligns it to framing systems that meet those protocols. So the testing on that is rather unique in the fact that you're taking a framing system, putting it in an elevation, and you begin to rack that framing system or that test unit that measures how much movement can be allowed in the framing system while allowing it to go back to its natural position and then retesting it for air and water. That's one test. Another test is where they actually shake the framing system to the point where a failure will be when the glass will break or come out of the unit. So there's various testing protocols that get into project specific or a region type test standard, but really that's all about how that framing will react to the building movement and how it will perform once the building is in position after the seismic event for air and water performance. Also testing, will the glass stay in for a certain period of time? And so we align that on our website to show here are these testing protocols and here are the performance requirements or the standards that we have met based on those testing protocols. So it makes it very easy for the architect to understand which system will meet that particular requirement.